Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in Walmart, we're going to go through all of the new under $15 basics. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So these tees from Time and True, they have that crew neckline, flutter sleeve, relaxed fit through the front and the back. Comes in the orangey red. They also have the black, and they're $12.98. So sneak peek tees from Free Assembly. So these have that pointel detailing. It has a crew neckline, short sleeve, average length. In the yellow, there's white, pink, the navy and white stripe. There's also navy, and these are $10. So new little puff sleeve tee from Free Assembly. It has the scallop trim, puff sleeve, nice fit, and these are $15. Also new tees from Time and True. They have that crew neckline, has the relaxed fit. It's that soft kind of like flowy material. In the red, also in the beige, they have that corally orange, and they're $12.98. These are online only at mock necks from Time and True. They're super soft, stretchy. They have the seam detailing through the front, also in the back, and these are $10. So new turtleneck from Free Assembly. So we saw this red and blue. Now they have this navy and white stripe. It's a rib stretchy material, fold over, really nice length. And then the seam fit through the back. Let's see a price. Apology, look for less tops from Free Assembly. This has the tie detail, split V, oversized balloon sleeve, elastic at the bottom. This also comes in the red. No sweater sets from No Boundaries. So the top has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. It is a boxy fit. Comes in the gray, also in the beige, and then they have the pants that match. They're a flare. They have that elastic waistband in both of those colors. But I had this in my cart earlier, and I was like, I'm going to wait on it, I think. So new sneak peek tops from Time and True. So these have that crew neckline, drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, little slit on the side. Nice length through the back in the black. Also comes in burgundy and pink. These are $14.98. Also new from No Boundaries are these lace peplum tops. So they have the thin strap, the V neckline, the bow detail. So they're $10.98. Just because we're in Florida, I don't know, maybe they have them in other states, but we have these new colors in the puff sleeve top, and then they restocked the black. That's the one that I have. So there's a crew neckline. It's a poplin oversized puff sleeve, ribbed, fitted through the body. In the yellows, no. There's the pink, lavender, navy, and I saw they restocked black online, and those are $11.98. Line oversized gold buttons, the two front pockets relaxed through the wrists, and then the same fit through the back. Also new flutter sleeve top from Free Assembly. This has the high neckline, the double little flutter sleeve. There's functioning buttons, really good length through the front and back. So new short sleeve pointel sweaters from Celebrity Pink. So these have the scoop neckline, Henley buttons. They're super soft, stretchy material, fitted through the front and the back. In the light yellow, also comes in pink, and they're $14.50. One everyone's going crazy over on my social media are these Diet Coke sweatshirts. They have that crew neckline, soft fleece, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist. Also has the ribbed bottom, and the same fit through the back, and these are $15. New tees from Free Assembly. So these have a crew neckline, the little shoulder detail. It's a French terry material with all this little embellished kind of rhinestone flowers. Comes in the black, also in the white, and they'll be linked down below. New Valentines sweat set from Wound Up. So this has the crew neckline, drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, soft fleece. How cute are the hearts? And they're $12.98. And then they also have the matching sweatpants from Wound Up, elastic waistband with the drawstring, true jogger bottom, also $12.98. New peplum top from Jessica Simpson. This one has the plunging V, the little tier, bell sleeve, peplum, and then that seam fit through the back. It is a little on the sheer end, so it comes in the ivory. So new from Time and True are these tier dresses. So these have the elastic off the shoulder, nice relaxed sleeve, super flowy with that little ruffled trim, and then the seam fit through the back. In the white, there's a gold, the pink, and black, and they're $13.98. First up are these dresses from Time and True. They have the crew neckline, flutter sleeve. It's a nice super soft material, tears all the way down, and then the same fit through the back. Comes in the navy. There's also a red, there's a gold, and they're $13.98. New longer length fit and flare dresses from Time and True. So they have that crew neckline fit and then the longer sleeve, and then you could see that panel. Same fit through the back in the gray, also black. They have two stripe options on this side, the navy and then also the coral, and they're $14.98. New flutter sleeve dresses from Time and True. These have that crew neckline, flutter sleeve, super soft and stretchy, relaxed fit. In the navy, also comes in the pink. It's the same fit through the back, and they're $11.98. So I have these new tank dresses from Time and True. They have that higher neckline. It's a longer length with that same detailing in the back. It's that stretchy swing style material in the solid black, also in the navy and white stripe. They have the beige and the coral, and they're $11.98. No t-shirt dresses from Time and True. These have the crew neckline, that cuffed sleeve. It has that drop sleeve, relaxed fit, about knee length, in the ivory with the blue stripe, and these are $11.98. Long sleeve turtleneck dresses from No Boundaries. So these fold over. It's fitted through the wrists, shorter through the front and the back, in the black, and these are $12.98. These new long sleeve dresses from No Boundaries. They have that crew neckline, fitted through the wrist. It's shorter through the front and the back. In the plum, also comes in black, and they're $12.98. And then they have these new Henley dresses from No Boundaries. This is a thicker kind of rib tatchy material. Has that side seaming fit and kind of flares out. And they're $12.98. And they also come in that baby pink. Dresses from Time and True. So these have that squared neckline. They're a little ruffled trim. Has functioning buttons up into the waist, a little belt with the drop tier, and then elastic through the back. In this white with the gray, also the blue and brown plaid, and they're going to be $17.98. This is from No Boundary. So they have the thin strap, this seam detailing shorter, and then squared in the back in the light blue. Also comes in the leopard. So new waffle flare pants from No Boundary. So these are high rise. They have this elastic, no pockets, the perfect amount of flare at the bottom, and then the seam fit through the back. And these are $12.95. New sweatshirts from No Boundary. So these have the crew neckline, soft fleece, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. This is a graphic with the lace NYC. They also have this yellow with the 97. And these are $13.98. Color in the No Boundaries sweatshirt. So these have that crew neckline, soft fleece, the ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Now in this new pink color, also comes in black. There's burgundy blue, and they're $10.98. And then also in the mesh material are these little skirts. So these have the side zip. It's a chiffon layered in the red, also in the black, and they're $10.90. Also new jogger style sweatpants from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, super soft fleece, the side pocket with the true jogger bottom. In this new floral, and they're $12. Also have the new style of Time and True leggings. So this is what the waistband looks like. These are super soft, stretchy. It has the thin elastic, and then they're fitted through the leg. In the gray, also in the black. And these are going to be $6. Colors in the cardigans from Time and True. So these have the V-neck line, gold buttons. So what it looks like up close, has that ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. In the ivory, also comes in brown. There's the blue and black, and they're $19.98. So new cargo wide leg jeans from No Boundaries. So these look like they are high rise. They have the pork chop pockets, a little bow. I think they had these in a lighter wash before, like a month or so. Now they have this dark wash, and they're $19.98. New lace trim shorts from No Boundaries. So these have an elastic waistband, super soft lace. Look at that pretty lace detail on the side with the raw hem. Same fit through the back, and they're new mock neck sweater from Time and True. So this has that high neckline with the ribbing, drop sleeve, ribbed wrists with the pattern looks like through the front, and then the seam fit through. Also new in the men's are all these new colors in the Athletic Works fleece sweatpants and sweatshirts. So these have that crew neckline, relaxed fit. I always just size down one. They have this new mauve burgundy. There's a green, beige, blue, navy, a lighter gray, black, and then the sweatpants. They have the jogger bottom style. And all those same colors, and they're both $10.98. Women's Levi's and Strauss signature jeans. These are regularly between $26 and $28.98. They're down to $15. So all the washes, they're high rise, some whiskering, really nice stretchy, like their most premium denim. So really good for $15. Also have these long sleeve waffle tops from Time and True. So these have the swoop neckline, that ribbed wrist, longer fit in the burgundy brown. There's white, the beige, black, and navy, and they're $9. Snake Peek bodysuits from Time and True. It has the V neckline fitted through the wrist. It says it helps smooth and is ideal for layering with the fuller back. In the white, also comes in the black, and they're $11.98. Wide leg cargo pants from Celebrity Pink. So these have this drawstring. It has that low waist with the button zip, slotted pockets called Butter Twill, and then pockets on the back in the black, also in the gray, and also new cargo sweatpants to match back to the off-the-shoulder sweatshirt. So the elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, also has the cargo pocket. Same fit through the back in the gray, also comes in that pink, and they're $12.98. Snake Peek flared pants from No Boundaries. So I have these in the light blue color. Now they have them in this black wash. There's whiskering, fit, and flare. I did size up, and then they have the flat pockets in the back. They're one of my favorite jeans right now, and they're only $14.98. Next basic we're shopping for are layered friendly bottoms. These are pull-on from Time and True. You can really dress these up or down. They're soft material. They have that seaming, wide leg, and flowy. In the brown, they also come in black. They also have a pack of the Time and True crew neck sweatshirts are $15. In store, it's one on sale for $12. So inside, it's a mix between a soft like French terry and fleece. They have that relaxed fit, the ribbed bottom. In the beige, there's red, blue, brown, navy, black, and green. Also new velvet tanks from No Boundaries. So these have a thin strap that's smocking with the peplum. Same time through the back. In the black, also comes in the plum, and these are $9.98. The new Time and True tunic tees. So these have that crew neckline, drop sleeve, super flowy, has the scoop. The same through the back. In this blue and white stripe, there's a rust and white stripe. The burgundy has a V-neck. The green has the crew neck. So does the brown. And then the V-neck has that same kind of fit. It looks like it is a little scoop in the back with the seam in the back. The V-neck comes in beige, black, and that burgundy. They're all $11.98, but those are the new full colors and prints. Also new, a little studded mini skirt from No Boundaries. Has the side button zip, the little belt in the brown, also comes in black, and these are $12.98. Are the rib dresses from No Boundaries. They have the scoop neckline, cap sleeve, fitted, longer length. These are nice and stretchy. In the black, also comes in the gray, and they're $10.98. So brought back these tank and skirt sets from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap V neckline. The skirts are pull-on with the lace trim. I got it in this option. They didn't have it in my size in that option, so now I could pick that one up. But the two pieces are $19.98. Plaid skirt sets also majorly marked down online. So it is a really cute little bubble skirt. And then the crop tank, it looks like it's high rise. This is a true skirt. It's lined on the inside. Has that square neckline. It does look like it is shorter. In the blue and green, also that black and white, down to $8.36. Regularly $17.97. No wash, and I think this is the Relaxed Boyfriend. They look like they're high rise. They have the whisker, and they're not too high. They're almost like a mid rise. They have the cuff at the bottom, and then the seam fit through the back, and these are $22.98. Rouge tank from Time and True. So this one has the thin strap, the little peplum, squared in the back. So new from No Boundaries are these plush hoodies. So these have that V neckline, the embroidered number, ribbed bottom, ribbed wrist with the hood in the back. These are $16.98. Match, they have these pants from No Boundaries. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, they're straight, flowy leg, and these are $14.98. And the 2-pack of the Time and True crew neck tees. These are really soft, stretchy. They're down to 2 for $10. In store, 1 is $10. So they have gray, blue, that light blue, black. Pink is a different one. Green, the lavender, white. New skirt sets from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that scoop neckline, textured material with the little bow detail, squared in the back. Skirt is maxi length pull-on. It's sheer after the knee in the blue, the green, and the 2 pieces are $15. Fold over leggings from No Boundaries. So they have some new colors. These are super soft, stretchy fit with the perfect amount of flare. We saw the brown. Now they have this gray color, and they're $8.98. This spring Joy Spun boxer short. So these have an elastic waistband, the little logo. I like the material, seasoned with the side pocket, and the blue stripe with the heart. There's also yellow with the sheep. There's the pink with the strawberries, the blue stripe, and the leopard. These are $8. New Look for Less slides from No Boundaries. These have the round toe. It has that loafer look with the Sherpa trim, the rubbered bottom. Also new color in these Time and True Mule. So these have the pointed toe kitten heel. These are probably online only. These are from Journey, the little slingback loafers. True knit flats down to $11.68. They're regularly $17.98. It looks like that price is going to be for the black. And then, yeah, it looks like just the black. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.